In my game, the player can choose from a variety of attacks in battles. One of those is a punch attack, so I set out to add a sound effect. First, I recorded different sources with my microphone. Hitting the belly of my dog. A wrench hitting my sofa. A wet kitchen cloth. Breaking some nachos. And finally, some whooshes from whipping spatulas. I then mixed everything using Reaper and separated the sound effect into separate punch and impact sound effects. After creating an animation, this is the result.